Hi, I'd like to wish you a warm welcome to this channel where we are going to discuss a little bit about how to withdraw your money from the Wahid Invest platform. So when you first log into the app, you will see the following interface whereby you will see your performance of the portfolio. Over here, we can see the ringgit amount which we earned and also the percentage of gains from our particular portfolio. So to withdraw your money, we have to click the button as I've highlighted in the red box, which says transaction. After you have clicked on transaction, you will be greeted with this page where we can either deposit or withdraw. Over here, we just click on the withdraw button. And once we click on the withdraw button, we get to opt whether we want to withdraw a partial amount or a full amount. So assuming if I want to withdraw 400 ringgit, I can click the partial button and I can input 400 ringgit. Or if I want to fully withdraw everything from this platform, I can click the full button. The next page, we will see the bank account details whereby we have to put in our name, the bank name, and finally the account number. After that, we click the continue button and we will be greeted with this final page where we can put in a little message on why we want to withdraw our money and we can click next. So that in a nutshell is how to withdraw some money from your Wahid Invest portfolio. Should you find this episode useful, please give me a bunch of thumbs up. If not, I'll see you in the next episode.